Welcome to Italia Conti Virtual, an online training resource for the performing arts. Have a good class.
Okay, Sophie, we're going to take our Battement Glisse exercise with piques. So, starting in 5th position, preparation arm to second 5, 6, 7, 8. You're going to fondue and pique on a fondue. Make sure that supporting knee is locked out. Pique front, side, back, cloche straight. Repeat the piques on straight leg. Pique, 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 cloche through. 2 glisses with the accent in. Devant, second and second, 2 to the back. A gentle rise and low. Repeat on the don, on a fondue. Lock the kneecap over the toes. Pique, 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 cloche straight. Pique, 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 cloche through. 2 glisses back, 2 side, 2 front. And then you're going to rise, whip turn, second side, lower. Repeat the same thing, second side straight away. Piques on a fondue. Pique, pique, cloche through. Pique straight, cloche through. 2 glisses, 2 glisses, 2 glisses. A gentle rise and low on the dom. Pique, 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 cloche through. Pique, 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 cloche through. 2 to the back, 2 to the side, 2 to the front. Rise up and turn into 8 Battement Glisses in first with a full port de bras. Time the arm. Basically works out 2 counts for each position. Just check the arm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. With the leg and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then cloche devant on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Rise 5th, 6. Détourner again 7. Lower 8. Repeat. 8 in first. Full port de bras. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Cloche devant 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Rise 6. Back to the first side and calm and collected to finish 5th. Have we got that? Piques on the fondue. Piques on the straight. 2 glisses in each position with a rise and lower. On the dom. Piques on the fondue. Pique straight, 2 glisses, 2 second, 2 front, rise, turn. Repeat to the second side. Back to the first side, 8 in first with full port de bras, then cloche devant on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, rise 6, turn, second side, 8 in first, cloche 2, 3, 4, 5, rise back to where you started. We got that, Sophie? Good girl. Okay, Sophie, so the exercise is fast. You don't want to tense up too much, so it's all about breath, yeah? So as you take your preparation, that's where you should be taking a nice deep breath as you prepare the arm to second now. Fondue for the piques, can you make sure that you do lock that supporting knee, tracking over your supporting toes? So you pique devant, pique side. Now it's here where we tend to let that knee rock forward, so keep it locked out through the adductor muscle at the top of the leg there. Good. Cloche through straight. And then piques again, same as your glisse height. Pique not too high. Remember, pique means prick. You're just going to imagine the floor's piping hot. That's the dynamic, and you don't want to burn your toes. So it's just off the floor. Pique, that's it. To the side, to the back, and then cloche through. And think of squeezing the tops of the legs together rather than bashing the feet at that speed. Very easy to do that at speeds like that. So think of thighs squeezing together. In, side, tops of the legs. Good. Derriere. And then another moment where you can take a breath and lower. Reverse on the don. Again, kneecap over toe. Pique back, side, front, cloche straight, just off the floor. Pique, stretch the leg away, and pique front, cloche through. You want to think of the piques not just with the foot, but with the whole of the leg. So just try that again. Going back, pique the leg with the whole leg, pique, pique, whole of the leg. That's it, and cloche through. Glisse, squeezing thighs together, and in, and side, and front, rise up, détourner, and repeat second side, knee out, and pique, and through. Straight leg, whole leg, pique and through. Tops of the legs, good. Squeezing thighs, little breath and low. Kneecap over toe, hips square, isolate the movement, just the leg moving, squeezing fifth, rise up and breathe into 8 in first. And again, we don't want to bash the heel in. So again, think of squeezing the thighs together. That's it, through the foot. 3, 4, 5, timing the arm, 6, 7, 8, cloching the rond front, brushing the floor, 2, not too high, 3, again it's just glisse height, 4, then 5, rise 6, 7, let's do full speed, second side, and 1, 2, squeeze 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, brushing through the foot, 2, that's it, 4, 5, 5th, turn, and calm and collected as if it was nothing, easy, thank you. Preparing the arm, breathe as you prepare, pique, 1, 2, 3, through, pique, 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 in, breathe, and pique, 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 keep the accent in, détourne, up, fondu, pique, pique, good girl, pique, 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 keep compact, breathe again, pique, 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 coming up to 8 in first, rise, turn, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, in, accent out, 2, 3, brushing the floor, up, turn, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, front, back, rise, and finish, calm, collected, good girl. Preparing the arm, breathe as you prepare, pique, 1, 2, 3, through, pique, pique, in, breathe, and pique, 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 keep the accent in, détourne, up, fondu, pique, pique, good girl, pique, 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 keep compact, breathe again, pique, 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 coming up to 8 in first, rise, turn, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, in, accent out, 2, 3, brushing the floor, up, turn, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, front, back, rise, and finish, calm, collected, good girl.
Please subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell for Italia Conti Virtual, online training for the performing arts.